Hi, hello everyone. I'm damn nervous, and I really, I really have no clue how to start this. But irrespective, I would like to thank all of you all on Facebook for such an overwhelming response and such kind words of encouragement. And I think the angle of the camera is a little bit not the way I want. I think now it is proper. So, anyways, so thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate, um, you know, all your kind words, all your words of encouragement, and all the confidence that you've put in me and shown that I can definitely go out there and do this video logging thing. So I really, really, really appreciate it and really thank you all, and I really love you all for this. Having said that, and even before I start talking about what I am going to vlog about, I just wish to do a little bit of soul talking with you guys, as in like try to pour my heart out and tell you guys what I actually want from life, why am I doing this, what are the reasons behind this, and all the other aspects of the vlog. So to start off with, for people who know me, they or and for also people who don't know me, I have spent for the past 9 years in the hospitality industry, in the service industry. Now the industry has been very kind to me in terms of priceless experiences, and I've grown a lot as a professional, as a human being. I am in a situation right now where I can differentiate between good people from bad, and handle situations in a very matured manner. Have that ability to take decisions, have the ability to differentiate between what's right and what's wrong. But what the industry didn't do much for me was in terms of so many other aspects, like be it monetary, be it health, be it social life. So what used to happen with me was that I used to feel like a tombstone, and at one place, and then there were people around me who had everything basically. So they would probably change their cars every year, wherein since 2000 I started my career in 2008, and recently no, I started my career in 2005, and recently I've quit, like January 2016. So from start to end I still had a Hyundai Santro, and people around me would change cars like every year and a half. I have purchased new motorcycles every year and a half, go to exotic locations for an annual vacation, had a good social life, looked good, dressed well, had that kind of a money with them to spend. And for me, um, like I said, I traveled in the same car for the past 9.5 years. Um, Went to the same initially, like till 2009 2010, I never traveled also anywhere annually. Then I came across the Jetpur family. They were very kind and they were gracious enough to accept me as a part of their family. And then uh, their vacation home, which is like that 180-year-old hunting lodge on top of a hill in the Gir Forest Sanctuary, became like a home to me. And then I started visiting that place annually. But I never went anywhere else. I also wanted to purchase motorcycles because I'm like a big two-wheel enthusiast, but I've never had the money to do it. Whenever I used to go shopping, I used to search for discounts and sales, and probably end up buying clothes which I liked, but not which the ones which I wanted. I could never afford them. You know, health took a toll on my health took a toll, sorry, because the work, constant migraines, drop in my testosterone level. Although I had um, I'd saved money to put in a membership of a good gym, I couldn't go there and work out. So my health it took a big toll on my health. Then one day finally I decided, I said, it's about time I quit, and I start and I explore something on my own, because I knew deep within me since the beginning that something big, something successful has been planned for me from a destiny. It is just a matter of time that I need to go ahead, take that step, and fulfill my destiny and be creative enough, um, because I feel this is an age of how well you think, how well you conceptualize, and then you get rewarded according to that, So then there needs to be proper strategy to it, and a concept and an experience is always things which people are ready to explore. So it's not that I want to just sit at home and relax and get my bank balance and account filled. No, nothing of that sort. I'm out there. I'm going to slog. I want to work hard and earn money, but at the end of it, be satisfied. I was successful up to a certain extent in my stint in the hospitality industry, but that satisfaction which you get, when you do something which you really love to do, and that sense of achievement which you get after you've done something which you always wanted to do, I want to experience that. That's why I quit my job and planning to start my own wildlife tour and travel company, and this vlog thing also. So I'll come to the vlog part. So what happened when I decided to quit my job? A lot of people, including my parents, were not very positive about it. They were like, "Why are you quitting the job? And your monthly income will stop. And what will you do?" And some people even went to the extent of telling me that you'll be doomed and you'll not be recognized in the market and all that. But for me, since childhood and since the time I remember, my passion and inquisitiveness, although it's got me in a lot of trouble, but has always overshadowed my mm, basic decision taking capabilities. It is always overshadowed, and it has always had a lot of prominence in my life in terms of whatever I did. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna leave this, because 9 years in the industry, you know how it works, what are the small nuances and how you can make things work. So then I quit my job because I was very confident in terms of being the creative person that I am, and in terms of being successful in life. I know it'll take time. I know it won't happen like overnight, but I'm definitely ready to be patient, wait it out, slog it out, and then achieve that. So ultimately, even I want to go to exotic places because I love traveling. Be fit in life, have a good life, give Jay Leno a competition in terms of his car and motorcycle collection, and the vlogging thing is because I want you guys to be a part of that journey. When I was in doldrums and when I needed motivation, inspiration, there were very few people around me who always motivated me, who always told me to do things right, get inspired. But most of them tried to pull me down. I had more explanations to give rather than more shoulders to cry on. So that sort of a situation, it was not all that great. I'm like. Mm, Anyway, that is a different can of worms altogether. So I'm not going there. Um, the reason why I want to vlog all these things, all my experiences, is that, and I'm talking to you guys, is that not today, not tomorrow, probably a few years down the line, someone might come across my video and get inspired, see the transformation, and it might boost their confidence of pursuing their passion and being successful in life. So this is basically why I am planning to do these vlogs. It is not because I want to be famous. It is not because I want to earn money out of YouTube. It is just because I want you guys who've been so kind to me with their words and encouragement to be a part of it, to go through this journey with me, and for people who don't know me to see these videos and get inspired and also travel and gain more amount of knowledge. I want to share this joy with you so that it increases tenfolds and comes back to me and I'm more happy about it. So that is all about the soul talking part. Now I'll talk to you about the main thing is what I'm going to vlog about next. So vlogging about the topic which I'm going to vlog about next is something called as the Rainforest Challenge. Now you guys can go into YouTube, or probably in YouTube, I think the videos have not been uploaded as yet for this 2016 thing, but you guys can go to Google and you guys can type Rainforest Challenge India 2016. So it is the epitome of testing the driver, the co-driver and their jeeps in extreme conditions. So it is like a 6-day thing in the rainforests of Goa during this monsoon season, and it is like an absolute endurance test for the machine, for the driver and co-driver, where they are not only running against time, but they are running against their own physical strengths, weaknesses, and so many other physical factors. So it's such an amazing thing, and the reason I'm going this is because I'm passionate, A, and B, our very own team Fairmont from Bombay has participated in that, and all the guys in that team are like brothers and really close friends. It has actually started. Today was the first day, which is the no. Yesterday was the first day, which is 22nd. Today is the second day, 23rd. But due to some family issues, I wasn't able to make it. I will be there on the 26th of this month. So from 26th till the time we come back, I'll be logging everything on my camera and this cell phone which I'm speaking in right now, and capturing everything from where I'm staying to what I'm eating to what experiences I'm going through, the ups and downs of the team, the vehicles, what is the concept, and I just want to put it across so that you guys also aware that, oh, such things happen, and it's gonna be a very enriching and good experience for me, inshallah. Let's see. I'm trying to I've visualized a few things. I'm trying to put that into perspective, and will share that with you. It will take some time because I'm absolutely new to this. I don't know how to edit. I don't know so many other things. I'll have to take help, edit the videos, and do all that jazz. So I'll try my level best and put my best foot forward and share all these adventures with you. Till then, please subscribe to my channel. You can go on YouTube and type Suhail Qureshi. So SUHAIL QUREISHI. And also subscribe and like my page on Facebook, which is Magnum Safari and Heritage Experience India, which I'm going to talk about to you later on in some other vlog. So I would like to end this vlog with a big thank you and a big appreciation to all of you all for once again encouraging me and pushing me to this extent through positive encouragement, that I would stand here and first time in my entire life talk to like a cell phone and look into a lens and try to be all confident and speak to you guys. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Be good. Have a nice weekend, and never give up on any passion of your life. It might take time. You might face quite a lot of hurdles, but never ever give up, and keep following me, keep remembering me in your prayers. All the best, and I don't know what next to say, so bye guys, take care.